It's been a long old afternoon, but these are now out of the car. And if you know what they are, you'll know what I've just done. And I did the wheels, the liners came off, and that is all back on and looking pretty shiny. So I took the opportunity to polish under there and tidy everything else up. And it turns out I'm also missing all of the fasteners along the bottom. So that is, well, that was a surprise, I can tell you. I'll be getting a set of those for both sides. Anyway, wheels back on, and I'll be making a video of the other side, but it's taking a bit longer than planned, so that'll be for the weeks to come.